Hey guys, Mrs. Ziegler here. I just want to give you some tools to help to turn your speech into text. So I'm in a Google Doc, and when you are in a Google Doc, you can actually go to Tools, and you can click on Voice Typing. When you do that, the microphone is going to appear. It says click to speak. So whenever you are ready to write your sentence, you actually are going to click on the microphone to start it. So let's give it a try. One career I am interested in is welding, period. All right. If you noticed, whenever I was saying this sentence, I made sure that I said it as clear as I could. I also paused when I was nearing an end. I also said period when I needed a period. You will need to let the computer know that you are ending your sentence, and you will actually have to say period whenever you want one, okay? You can also see that I went over when I was finished, and I clicked on it to stop. And if you didn't already notice, when it was working, it turned red when it was on. All right, let me try. And actually, before we look at something else, you do want to always get in the habit of going back and checking, because sometimes it might not hear you correctly, or sometimes there might be a mistake just based on what it heard from you. So one career I'm interested in is welding. Okay, looks pretty good. I'm just going to try it one more time so you can take a look. So you can tell it's off. When it is working, it will be red. So let's try this. When you weld, you need a helmet, period. Okay? So basically, when you're finished, I clicked on it and I made sure I said period. I'm going to check it. When you weld, you need a helmet. Looking good so far. Okay? So that is one tool that you can use in a Google Doc to turn your speech into text. Let's just take a look at Google. And when we go on to Google to do a search, the microphone is here. I bet a lot of you have seen that, but if you haven't, it's awesome. So again, you're going to click on the microphone, welding, okay? And as you can see, just like with anything else, when I was speaking, I just waited a second and I paused, because when I'm not saying anything, the computer will know that I am done, that all I want is welding. If I continue to talk and say welding, and then I was like, boy, I'm hungry for lunch, it's going to continue to record you. So by me pausing, it let the computer know that I was finished. All right, so there's some information about welding. Okay, I hope you find these tools helpful, and please give them a try.